In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Elementor for free. If you're new to website building or you're looking to expand your toolkit without breaking the bank, Elementor might just be what you're searching for. It's a powerful page builder that's fully integrated into WordPress, offering a lot of capabilities that make creating a beautiful website easy and intuitive. Now let's walk through the process of installing the free version of Elementor, known as Elementor Core. First, we're heading over to the WordPress dashboard. If you're not familiar with it, the dashboard is your central hub for managing your WordPress site. Once you're there, look on the left-hand side of your screen and find the Plugins section. Hover over it, and you'll see an option to Add New. Go ahead and click on that. This is where we can search and install new plugins directly from WordPress's massive library. In the new window that appears, you'll notice a search bar on the right side. Type in Elementor Website Builder and hit Enter. Elementor should be among the top results with its distinctive logo. So, what's great about the Elementor Core is that even though it's free, it packs a punch with a robust set of features. The right version will have over 5 million active installations, which speaks volumes about its reliability and popularity. Once you locate Elementor, you'll see a blue button labeled Install Now. Click on it to begin the installation process. This will take just a few moments. Once it's ready, that button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin for your site. By doing this, you've officially unlocked access to Elementor's free version capabilities. Now, let's explore what the free version offers. You will find a visual drag-and-drop editor, which is really handy. It makes designing pages seamless and requires no coding knowledge. You can visually adjust your page right from your browser window, which is a major time saver. Additionally, you'll have access to over 40 basic widgets. Widgets are small tools and functionalities that you can place around your website, such as adding texts, images, buttons, and more. Moreover, you'll get around 30 free templates. These templates are pre-designed layouts that you can customize to fit the aesthetic of your website, perfect for quickly setting up site pages without starting from scratch. This free bundle provides more than enough resources to create most simple or personal websites. What's amazing is that millions of users rely on this free version without ever feeling the need to upgrade, proving its effectiveness for a broad range of website needs. Whether you're starting a blog, showcasing a portfolio, or setting up an informational site, Elementor's free version is a fantastic tool to have in your website building arsenal. So go ahead and dive in, explore the possibilities, and most importantly, have fun creating your website with Elementor.